Are you ready to take the first step towards building your online presence by purchasing your desired domain name on GoDaddy but don't know where to start? We know that buying a domain name from GoDaddy can be daunting, especially for the first-time domain buyers. But don't worry, because you're in the right place and we've got you covered. So, stick with us till the end of this video as we guide you through the essential step-by-step process on how to buy a domain name in GoDaddy to help you do the right process and avoid the common mistakes in buying a domain name. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way in buying a domain name from GoDaddy like a pro. So let's dive in. Step 1. Visit GoDaddy. First, head over to GoDaddy.com. You'll see a search bar right on the home page where you can type in the domain name you want. Step 2. Search for your domain. Enter the name you're interested in. You don't need to include the extension like .com or .net. GoDaddy will show you all the available options. For example, let's say we're looking for knowledge base. Hit the search button to see if it's available. Step 3. Check availability and suggestions. GoDaddy will display a list of available domains and their extensions. Sometimes your first choice might be taken, but don't worry, you'll see alternative suggestions. For instance, if knowledgebase.com isn't available, you might find options like theknowledgebased.com or knowledgebased.com. Step 4. Choose your domain. Select the domain you want. For this tutorial, we'll go with theknowledgebased.com. Click on Make It Yours to add it to your cart. Step 5. Domain protection options. Next, you'll see options for domain protection. While GoDaddy offers various levels of protection, including full domain protection, it's essential to choose what best suits your needs. Full protection adds an extra layer of security to prevent domain theft and holds your domain for 90 days if it expires. For many, the free privacy protection, which hides your personal information, will suffice. Click Continue to Cart. Step 6. Review your cart. In your cart, double-check your domain name to ensure it's correct. You can also adjust the registration period here. While GoDaddy allows you to register for up to 10 years, it might be wise to start with 1 year and enable auto-renew. This way, you can keep the domain without a significant upfront cost. Step 7. Sign in or create an account. To proceed, you'll need to sign in or create a GoDaddy account. You can sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook account if you don't already have one. Once signed in, you'll move on to the payment section. Step 8. Enter billing information. Enter your billing information accurately. Make sure it matches the address where your billing statements are sent. Choose your payment method: credit card, PayPal, or checking account. Step 9. Complete your purchase. Before finalizing your purchase, review your order summary. Ensure everything is correct, including the domain spelling and any promo codes you might have. When you're ready, click Complete Purchase. Step 10. Confirmation and next steps. Congratulations! You've successfully purchased your domain name on GoDaddy. You'll receive a confirmation email, and you can manage your new domain from the GoDaddy dashboard. From here, you can set up your website, email, and other services. And that's it. You've now registered your desired domain name on GoDaddy like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more domain tutorials. Visit NamesDigest.com for more domain and brand protection insights. This is NamesDigest, helping you make smarter domain decisions that matter. See you in the next video.